use the principle of optimality to find the maximum value of maximized z 1 equal to b1 x1 b2 plus b2 x2 dot up to b2 xn such that x1 plus x2 plus xn dot up to xn equal to c such xj is greater equal to 0 যে কোথায় কোথায় 1 to up to n। অল্টারনেটিভে আরেকটা কি কোশ্চেন দেওয়া থাকতে পারে, এটা আমি যেটা শেখাচ্ছি সেটা হচ্ছে ডায়নামিক্যাল প্রবলেম। ডায়নামিক্যাল প্রবলেমে নিয়মটা প্রথমে লিখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। ইউজ ডায়নামিক্যাল প্রোগ্রামিং প্রবলেম to find the maximized value of max z equal to summation I equal to 1 to n bi xi such that summation I equal to 1 to n xi equal to c xi greater equal to 0 for all I and এখান থেকে সলভ করতে বলছে। এই ইকুয়েশনটা দেওয়া আছে, মানে এই মিনিমাইজ জেডটা দেওয়া আছে এখান থেকে সাজ দ্যাট সাবজেক্টটা কি দেওয়া আছে 10 x1 to the power minus 1 and x2 to the power minus plus 2 equal to 1. Let us start. Let f and c be the return function for n equal to 1. Therefore f1c equal to b1x, f1 star c equal to b1c star. Now f star c denote the optimal return. Therefore x1 equal to c. এখানে f1c টা ফার্স্টে b1 x1 এটা ধরে নিলাম b1 x1 this value, then b1c f1 star c and x1 equal to c, এই this value মানে বসিয়ে দিলাম। তাহলে now for n equal to 2 x1 plus x2 equal to c, therefore f2c equal to b1 x1 plus b2 x2. Therefore f2 star c equal to maximize b1 x1 plus b2 x2 equal to maximize যেটা কোথা থেকে কোথায় 0 less or equal to 2 less or equal to c, then b2z plus b1 c minus z putting x2 equal to z and x1 equal to c minus z. This is equal to maximize 0 less or equal to z less or equal to c b2z plus f1 star c minus z. Then আমরা কি পাবো, দেন ম্যাক্সিমাইজ জেডটা এখানে বসিয়ে দেওয়া আছে মানটা। তাহলে এখানে আমরা কি পাবো, এখানে আমরা পাবো হেন্স in general for n equal to I, fi star c equal to maximize 0 lesser equal to z lesser equal to c bij plus fi minus 1 star c minus z for z is equal to xi and x1 x2 plus dot dot plus xi minus 1 equal to c minus z. Now we consider the case for n equal to 2. Let gz equal to b2z plus b1 c minus z equal to b2 minus b1 এখান থেকে এটা কমন চলে গেল z plus b1 c, hence gz will be maximized when z taken its maximum value, that is c, assuming b2 greater than b1. Hence gz will be maximized g star z equal to b2c at z is equal to c. Therefore f2 star c equal to b2c at x2 equal to c, x1 equal to 0. When n equal to 3, then x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to c. In this case f3 star c equal to maximize 0 lesser equal to z lesser equal to c b3z plus f2 star c minus z equal to maximize 0 lesser equal to z lesser equal to c. প্রিভিয়াস মানে আগের জায়গাটা থেকেই পাচ্ছি আমরা b3z plus b2 c minus z equal to b3c and z is equal to c, that is x3 equal to c, x1 equal to x2 equal to 0. Hence in general fn star c equal to bnc at x1 x2 এরমভাবে আপ টু xnটা কি c আর xn minus 1 equal to 0 dot dot up to x1 equal to 0. This is the procedure. Then find the value of this. Solve the following problem. Minimize 2x1 minus x2 and x1 x2 to the minus 3 plus 4x1 to the minus 1 x2 to the minus 2 plus 32 by 3 x1 x2 subject to 10 x1 to the minus 1 x2 to the plus 2 equal to 1. Now start this problem. Now we start. Hence, in our problem, it is not given x1 greater than 0, x2 greater than 0. We choose x1 is greater than 0, x2 is greater than 0. If x1 or x2 equal to 0, then the problem is undefined. Let u1 equal to 2, x1 x2 to the power minus 3, u2 equal to 4, x1 to the power minus 1, x2 to the power minus 2, u3 equal to 32 by 3, x1 x2, u4 equal to 10, x1 to the power minus 1, x2 to the power minus 2. Then fx equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3. এটা 1 নম্বর সমীকরণ। u4 equal to 1 2 নম্বর সমীকরণ। u1 this value u1, u2 4x1 x2, 4x1 x2, u3 32 by 2 x1 x2, 32 by 3 x1 x2 this value, u4 10 সাবজেক্ট যেটা দেওয়া আছে 10 x1 minus 1 x2 to the power 2 equal to 1, 1টা হচ্ছে u4 equal to 1 and fxটা হচ্ছে u1 plus u2 plus u3. Now from Bessel's and Cauchy-Schwarz inequality u1 by some xi1 u2 by xi2 u3 by xi2 xi3 less or equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 equal to fx. This is 3 number equation. xi1 plus xi2 plus xi3 equal to 1 4 4 number equation, and u4 by alpha 4 lambda less or equal to u4 lambda equal to alpha 4, that is u4 by alpha 4 all to the power alpha 4 to the power alpha 4 less or equal to u4 alpha 4, that is u4 by alpha 4 all to the power alpha 4 to the power alpha 4 less or equal to 1. This is equation of 5. Then multiplying both sides of 5 by fx equal into u4 alpha 4 alpha 4 less or equal to fx 6 নম্বর ইকুয়েশনটা using 3 and the LHS of 6 we obtain u1 xi1 to the power xi1 u2 xi2 to the power xi2 u3 xi3 to the power xi3 u4 alpha 4 to the power alpha 4 to the power alpha 4 is less or equal to fx. This implies 2 by xi1 4 by xi2 32 3 into xi3 10 by alpha 4 this is for alpha 4 then x1 to the power xi1 minus xi2 plus xi3 minus alpha 4 x2 to the power minus 3 xi1 minus 2 xi2 plus xi3 plus 2 alpha 4 is less or equal to fx. 7 equation. Now we choose xi1 xi2 xi3 alpha 4 such that LHS of 7 independent of x1 x2 then xi1 minus xi2 plus xi3 minus alpha 4 equal to 0. 8 number equation. Minus 3 xi1 minus 2 xi2 plus xi3 plus 2 alpha 4 equal to 0. 9 নম্বর ইকুয়েশন 7 নম্বর ইকুয়েশনের লেফট সাইডটায় থেকে আমরা কি পাচ্ছি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট কোন দুটো আর x1 আর x2 কে ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট করে আমরা এই দুটো ইকুয়েশন পাচ্ছি 8 নম্বর আর 9 নম্বর ইকুয়েশন দেন solving 8 9 and 4 we obtain xi1 equal to 1 by 8 7 alpha 4 minus 1 equal to 1 by 8 7 alpha minus 1 xi2 equal to 1 minus alpha by 2 xi3 equal to 5 minus 3 alpha by 8 এটা সলভ করে পেলাম using this result we obtain from 7 fx is greater equal to phi alpha say where phi alpha equal to 16 by 7 alpha minus 1 7 alpha minus 1 by 8 8 by 1 minus alpha 1 minus alpha by 2 2 5 6 by 3 into 5 minus 3 alpha whole to the power 5 minus 3 alpha by 8 into 10 by alpha to the power alpha into alpha to the power alpha. Now to minimize phi alpha, we consider then d by d alpha, derivative of log of phi alpha equal to 0. This imply phi alpha this value यहाँ पर पुट कर दिया, देंगे पुट कर देवो log of 16 7 alpha minus 1 7 alpha minus 1 by 8 8 by 1 minus alpha 1 minus alpha by 2 2 5 6 by 3 5 minus 3 alpha 5 minus 3 alpha by 5 minus 3 alpha by 8 3 alpha by 8 into 10 by alpha all to the power alpha to the power alpha, then d by d alpha 1 by p 7 alpha minus 1 log of 16 by 7 alpha minus 1 plus 1 minus alpha by 2 log 8 by 1 minus alpha plus 5 minus 3 alpha by 8 log of 2 5 6 by 3 into 5 minus 3 alpha plus alpha log of 10 by alpha plus alpha log alpha equal to 0. Solving, we obtain alpha equal to alpha star, hence minimize f alpha equal to phi of alpha star. Thanks.